Before buying PremiumStyle, there are 7 essential things you need to know. Whether you're a first-time buyer or someone looking to upgrade, knowing these key details can make all the difference. Stick with me through this video because I'll be giving you the inside scoop on how PremiumStyle stacks up against its competitors and why it might be the right choice for you. First off, let's talk about pricing. One of the things that sets PremiumStyle apart from the competition is its flexibility. While other style services can be pricey with hidden fees or restrictive subscriptions, PremiumStyle offers a transparent pricing model with options that can be tailored to different needs. In fact, if you check out the first link in the description below, you'll get the best offer for PremiumStyle, including a completely free trial, so you can test it out risk-free. Next thing, the customization options. Unlike many other similar platforms, PremiumStyle gives you personalized choices for your wardrobe, allowing for a level of customization that's tough to beat. If you've tried competitors like Stitch Fix or Trunk Club, you know that while they offer personalization, their options don't go as deep as PremiumStyle. You get more control over your selections, and the system learns your preferences as you go, making future selections feel even more tailored to your taste. The third thing you need to know is the quality of the clothing. PremiumStyle sources its apparel from top-tier brands, ensuring that the pieces you receive are not only stylish, but also durable. Many competitors focus more on affordability, and while that's fine for some, PremiumStyle leans more towards offering premium fabrics and cutting-edge designs. If you're someone who appreciates quality over quantity, this is a huge advantage. The fourth thing is the convenience factor. Unlike other services that require you to fill out long forms or wait weeks for your delivery, PremiumStyle is known for its quick turnaround times. The website is easy to navigate, and once you sign up, your first shipment arrives faster than most competitors. For people who value convenience in their shopping, PremiumStyle really shines here. Next up, their customer service. One thing that's often overlooked but really stands out with PremiumStyle is their exceptional customer support. From free consultations with styling experts to easy returns and exchanges, they go the extra mile. Compared to some competitors where customer service feels automated or impersonal, PremiumStyle offers a more human experience. You can reach out to real people for advice and feedback anytime. The sixth thing you should consider is the styling experience. PremiumStyle offers an exclusive styling feature where you can get feedback and tips from experienced fashion stylists. While services like Trunk Club also offer stylists, PremiumStyle's stylists really take the time to understand your personal style and lifestyle, giving you pieces that match your vibe and not just what's in at the moment. This level of care is what separates PremiumStyle from other services in the industry. Lastly, their membership perks are worth noting. PremiumStyle offers access to special promotions, exclusive events, and deals that are available only to their members. While other services offer discounts or offers here and there, PremiumStyle has built a strong community with added benefits that can really make you feel like you're getting more than just a wardrobe upgrade. So, if you're considering PremiumStyle, it's important to know these 7 things: pricing transparency, customization, quality of clothing, convenience, customer service, personal styling, and exclusive perks. They really offer a great value when you compare them to the competition. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, make sure you click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and access to some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere.